Hey everybody, on today's episode we'll be installing our toilet. Coming up. Now if you got a new toilet, then you'll have to set the tank and the seat, you'll have to put it all together. Now if you're resetting the toilet, which is what I'm doing because it was a new one when I pulled it out, so I'm just putting it back in. I did buy you'll need a new wax ring and a bolt set.
So the first thing you're going to do is pull your bolts out and go ahead and set them. And then next you'll want to set your wax ring. Now what I like to do is I buy the wax rings that have the little funnel, which I'll show you here in a minute what it looks like. But they have the little funnel. They're just easier to align, and I've never had any issues with them leaking. But you see the little black funnel on them. So like I say, what I do, and you'll take and just remove the plastic around it. That's what I'm doing here. And then when you set him, I like to hold on to a little piece of that plastic so that I can kind of smush him in place without him sticking to your finger. See here, I keep that piece of plastic and I just smush him like that. And then we are ready to actually set our toilet. Now when it's time to set the toilet, what I have found is the easiest way is grab it right there in front of the tank like so, and you duck walk. That's what I'm showing you there. It's kind of like a duck walk. So you duck walking, you're going to line up one side like I'm doing here and kind of get your screw started, your bolt started, and then you watch the other side and you just roll him onto it like so. Then once you got him good, you kind of set him a little bit, and what I like to do is that right there, and then thinking man, nah, but really you want to rock a little bit, and that's going to kind of set your wax ring to the bottom of your toilet so that you know you're getting a good seal. Now from here, all you're going to do is there should be two plastic rings that are for your beauty caps, and they have a writing on them that says this side up. They look backwards, but you'll want to make sure you put that side up. So you put it first, and then there should be a metal washer in there. You put your metal washer, and then there should be some type of nut, whether it's a metal nut or a plastic nut or something like that, but there should be a type of some type of nut in there. So this is me putting my nut on, and I'm just screwing him down. But you'll take a wrench or a pair of channel locks or crescent wrench or something along them lines, and you'll snug him down. Now you don't want to over tighten him because you can bust the flange, the bottom part of your toilet. It can be done. It's kind of unlikely, but it can be done. But you want to snug him pretty good. And then once you've gotten everything tightened down, you'll take your beauty caps, and now you may have to, if your bolt is sticking up too high, you may have to cut him off above your nut. You would use bolt cutters or a grinder or hacksaw, all works, but then you want to just take your caps and set them on there and just bump them to snap them down, and you'll hear them snap over your small washers. Then all that's left is your hose, and that's a 3/8 screw fit in there. And your toilet hose will have a big nut on it like this. It's so you can do it. You can tighten it by hand. But once you put him on, it's just tightening him down onto your valve, and then tighten him to the bottom of your toilet, and then you're good to try it out. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, maybe give me a like, subscribe, comment, something along those lines. And I guess until next time, keep making dust.